Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using firewalls with SonicWall step by step clearly. To start using firewalls with SonicWall, first, unpack your SonicWall device. Connect it to a power source and plug it into your network. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to one of the LAN ports on the SonicWall. Open your web browser and enter the default IP address of the SonicWall. Typically, this is 192.168.168.168. Press enter, and you will be prompted to log in. The default username is admin, and the default password is password. Once logged in, change the administrator password for security purposes. Navigate to the network settings to configure the WAN settings. Enter the necessary information provided by your ISP, such as IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. Next, go to the WAN settings and enable DHCP if your ISP uses dynamic IP addresses. After configuring the WAN, set up your LAN settings as needed. Assign a local IP address range that fits your network needs. Save your settings and reboot the SonicWall device. Now, access the firewall settings by navigating to the Security Services section. Enable the firewall and configure the rules according to your security policy. Create custom rules to allow or deny specific types of traffic. You may want to set up Virtual Private Network (VPN) for secure remote access. To do this, navigate to the VPN settings section. Follow the instructions to create a secure VPN tunnel. Finally, regularly monitor your SonicWall logs and reports for any unusual activity. Make adjustments to your firewall settings as necessary to enhance security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.